Today I'm going to teach you how to install and manage add-ins in Outlook. So I'm starting here by opening my Microsoft Outlook app on my computer. Once it's open, I'm logging into my account so all my emails can load in. This just takes a second, and once everything's loaded, I'll be ready to move forward. Now that my emails are showing up, I'm heading straight to the top of the screen where all the main menus and tools are located. Right there, I can see the File tab, so I'm clicking on File to open that menu. This is where a lot of the important settings and options live in Outlook, so it's a good place to start whenever you need to manage anything behind the scenes. As soon as the File menu opens, I'm looking down toward the bottom of the menu. That's where I'll find the Outlook Options button. So I'm clicking on it now. When I do that, a new window pops up. This is the Outlook Options window, and it gives me access to all kinds of settings for how Outlook works. From here, I can control everything from notifications to email formatting, but today I'm focused on add-ins. On the left side of the Outlook Options window, I can see a list of different categories. I'm scrolling down through that list until I find add-ins. Once I see it, I'm clicking on add-ins. And now the main section of the window changes to show me all the add-ins that are currently installed on my Outlook. This is where I can see what's already running and what's available to add. If I want to explore more options, I can click on the Add-in Options button. That will show me various add-ins that I can use and add to my Outlook setup. These add-ins can do a lot of different things, like integrating other apps, adding new features, or making certain tasks easier. So it's worth browsing through if you're looking to customize how Outlook works for you. Now, to actually manage the add-ins I already have, I'm looking down at the bottom part of this window. There's a section labeled Manage, and right next to it, there's a drop-down menu. I'm making sure that drop-down is set to the type of add-ins I want to manage. Once that's selected, I'm clicking the Go button. As soon as I do that, a new smaller window opens up, and this one shows me all the add-ins that are currently running in Outlook. From this window, I can add new add-ins by checking the boxes next to them, or I can remove existing ones by unchecking them. If some of the add-ins are inactive or not working the way I want, this is where I can manage them and make changes. It's a really simple interface, and it gives me full control over what's active and what's not. Once I'm done making any changes, I'm clicking OK to close that window. And that's it. I've now installed and managed my add-ins in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.